Hello and welcome to day 82 of Bedtime Welsh, and we've got a new word for you today, as well as a little bit more practice of that word when. Do you remember that one? Pryd. So that's going to be coming up a little bit later on. Now the new word is to understand. A very useful word. So the Welsh for to understand is deall. Deall. You'll also hear people, particularly in the north, saying just dallt. But we're going to stick with deall for now, just to be a little bit more sort of almost formal about it. So the Welsh for to understand is?
Deall.
Deall. Okay, so to want to understand is?
Isio deall.
Isio deall. And now let's see if you can catch this little change. How about going to understand, or to go to understand? Going to understand.
Mynd I ddeall.
Mynd I ddeall. Yeah, so if you got the E, makes it go from deall to ddeall, then you're doing brilliantly. But don't worry if you didn't, because it's not all that important. So mynd I ddeall. How about I'm going to understand?
Dwi'n mynd I ddeall.
Dwi'n mynd I ddeall. You're hearing Beino say deallt with the T at the end, like dash. That's another northern kind of thing. But it's fine if you say it with, it's fine if you say it without. Dwi'n mynd I ddeall. Okay, now how about, let's go back to that when. When are you going? Can you get when are you going?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd? How about when are you going to understand?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall? And last one for today. When are you going to understand the answer? We haven't done that for a while, have we? Can you remember the answer? When are you going to understand the answer?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall ateb?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall ateb? So, yeah, that's quite a handy one for you to say to your parents at the end. And if you got any of those right, then you're doing really, really well. So keep it up, and we'll have another one for you soon. Okay? Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!